Hello you guys! Today, we're going to prepare a quick and tasty chicken wings recipe. I'm sure children will love it. In a bowl, add 600 grams of chicken wings, cover with water, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to soften the meat and mix well. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and mix well. Add the chicken wings and sauté. Tell me in the comments, how do you cook chicken back home? I'd love to know your recipes. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and mix to blend well. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Cozy Buthelezi from Pretoria in South Africa. I'm very happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Add 200 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and leave it to cook for 20 minutes. You guys, this recipe is delicious. Try it at home, then tell me in the comments what you think. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And our recipe is done. Look how delicious it is. I hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.